Now let's start talking real estate. Fix and flips. Who in here has ever done fix and flip? I see a couple operators in here. I see them hands going up. Awesome. So that's one of the things that it's one of the strategies that allows you to be able to build wealth. One of the great strategies that we leverage, we take, because I still work my W-2 job for the military, we leverage the fix and flip strategy to buy real estate, get the profit, then save the profit and buy apartment buildings with it, where you can generate large amounts of passive income monthly, and it allows you to get out that rat race a whole lot faster. Because once you're able to get enough passive income to replace your expenses, then you're good. Everything else is bonus. And so that's one of the strategies that we leverage to find properties that need work, where we can come in, add value. You know, we buy them for 50, 60% of what the after repair value will be. Once it's all fixed up, we come in, make the renovations, and usually we end up somewhere around 70 to 75% of the after repair value at the end of the day. And then we sell it. We sell it on the retail market, whether it's MLS, whether we sell it directly without leveraging a realtor. We've done that before, where we list our own properties. We got 2 right now that we self-listed, one in DC and then one in Northern Virginia that we're selling on our own without a realtor representing us, because we've done it enough times, we've seen enough contracts, and we know how to work with the buyer's agent to get it done and save the 3%. So there's different strategies out there. This is one that definitely can be leveraged. You can fix and flip a property, live in it a couple years, sell it, not have to pay taxes if you live in it for at least 2 years, and be able to move on to another house. And a lot of times, there's strategies that we'll talk a little bit deeper on the fix and flip side that you can leverage. But this is a great one that you can go in, and the big piece, and we'll talk about the financing, is usually these fix and flips won't qualify for traditional lending. So hard money lenders, gap lenders, or private lenders, non-traditional banks are a lot of the funding resources, especially when you're starting off, for these type of deals. Also, you can leverage fix and flips if you have a retirement account. And that's something that we'll touch on a little bit, where you can self-direct retirement accounts. If you have a 401k that was a previous employer, you can move that money into a company that allowed you to self-direct into whatever investment that it is that you want to use. And so the biggest thing with that is you can't benefit from that house or that IRA before you turn 59 and a half years old. And so that's another strategy as well too, with how you can find resources.